standing at the bottom. My shoes are soaking wet. I'm looking at the top. A long journey ahead. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm hiking through the trail, and I found a waterfall. The clouds, they come creeping in. I'm climbing this mountain. Oh yeah. It's cold, it's raining, my mind starts to drift. I'm in the fetal position, elevated on a cliff, and out the corner of my eye I see lightning strike. There's a mountain lion creeping up, it's hungry from behind, it's fight or flight to survive the night. I'll lunge for the spine, I give everything I got just to pull myself up. Well, I finally reached the top, and the view is beautiful. But the irony is I have to go back down. I'm climbing this mountain. Oh yeah. Right.
Oh yeah, bud.
WQFS.
Just go down there.